Hi, I'm Arnie and you're watching At Home Product Reviews. Time to change the filter in my refrigerator. We use the Ice Pure. Been using it since 2017, so that's quite a while now. And it says to replace it every 6 months, but if you're like most people and you have a newer refrigerator, it's going to tell you right on the front there. So all we have to do is reach in here, and in mine they're all a little different. Twist. It's going to be some water. Take your new one, put it in here, and twist it again the other direction till it's tight. Close it up. You have just changed your water filter, and all you need to do now, take a jug, put it under and run some water through for that reason, so you get all the air out. And it also, and this may not show up, but that's got a lot of gray, the fresh charcoal. So you want to do this until I fill it up twice, just to be sure. That's it. Thanks for watching.